G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's April 5, 2023. This is the US dollar price update. We have the daily, 4-hourly and the hourly charts, and I'll drill down to each of these. Now overall you can see only short positions. We're in a bearish outlook for the daily, the 4-hourly and the hourly, so only short positions, no long positions to be taken. Here you can see I've drawn this key support line, and it's now approaching that support line, and it's also bounced off this descending diagonal trend line, which was started from these two tops up here, and that coincided with this little bounce here. That happens to be just below the 38% retracement on the Fibonacci between that high and low, which was at 10,593. So at the moment it's still declining. On the 4-hour chart, let's go to the 4-hour chart. I've also got these declining and ascending diagonal trend lines, and initially it was in this wedge, but it's broken to the downside of that wedge. So, and as you can see here, I've drawn a little Fibonacci retracement showing how far the price had dropped. So initially it bounced off the 50% level at 10,301. It came back down, and it then broke through the 61% level of Fibonacci, which is our key, normally our key reversal area. So because it was going long during this period, it broke through the 61, and that's now reversed to a downtrend. And now it's approaching the 88% level. It's actually bouncing off that as we speak on the 4-hour chart. On the hourly chart, I've got a bit more Fibonacci's here for you, for those new in Fibonacci. In this little range here, let me go back a bit. In this little range here, you'll notice from that high to that low, it came up as far as the 61%, and it bounced down from there. And again, that's our key area. If it's going to reverse, it's going to reverse from either 23, 38, 50 or 61%, or somewhere in between. That's generally the area of reversal. In this case, it reversed at the 61% level. Moving forward to this other range, again from that high to that low, you can see there that level here, it bounced just below the 50% level, and it declined further from there to where we are today. Now let me just go down to where we are today. I've also drawn this Fibonacci extension in that leg there, that rebound, and where we're looking at. So if I drill down to that, you can see there our first support level will be this area at 10,050, which has been there for some time, and it may come down and rest on the 100% level, or even the 161% or further. You can see there the various levels of Fibonacci it may get to. So again, cautiously going short, only traded using short positions, no long positions at this point. If you do get caught and it reverses and you're caught going short, to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, we don't use stop losses. Reference the links in the description below to get some trading ideas. Subscribe and like the channel, support us further on Patreon, and we'll see you in a future video.